This is the birthday button. So, unfortunately, if you came to see a normal show tonight, I'm sorry. Whenever I press this button, everything stops and we sing happy birthday. Because it's my birthday. So I decided to do that because I wanted to. So just know, I mean, it'll stand there, and whenever I feel like it, we're just gonna sing it a lot. So I hope you like that song, because you're gonna hear it. But it is. You'll say hi, I'll say hi. You'll say, how's your family?